Good afternoon, students. Yesterday I explained you how to make the sentences of past simple tense. Means when we want to show an action that is completed in the past at some point of time in past, we call it past simple tense. शुरू हुआ और ख़त्म हो गया पूरी तरह से बिफोर द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग, ठीक है, and we call it past simple tense. And we use the second form of the verb, means he ran very fast. पहले की बात है तो हम क्या करेंगे, रन का पास्ट टेंस ran, he ran very fast. But remember one thing, now I am coming to negative and interrogative sentences today. Negative sentence is made by using the helping verb did. Which is the verb? Did. He did. बिना helping verb के हम उसको negative में change नहीं कर सकते. Remember this. He did not. And when we have used did, we are going to use the first form, run. ओके, यहाँ तक रैन नहीं आएगा बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड द हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ पास्ट टेंस. सो वी आर गोइंग टू मेक द वर्ब इन द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज इट इनटू फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ही ran, he did not run very fast. This is the negative sentence of this. The rules are the same as we did in present simple tense. Okay? As we did in present simple, we used does and did. Present simple में हमने क्या यूज किया था? Do and does. In present simple, we use do and does. Okay? And therefore, it is a little bit change. In past simple, we use did only. All kinds of verbs, nouns, okay? With all kinds of nouns, pronouns, we use did in past simple. Remember this. The first rule is this, that we use this helping verb in making negative and interrogative sentences with all kinds of nouns. Remember this thing. Now if I make interrogative sentence of the same, then I will be putting this did helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. Did he run very fast? Okay, and interrogative sign at the end. Remember this, interrogative sign at the end in the interrogative sentences. So I hope you have understood how to make. बस इतना फर्क है प्रेजेंट और पास्ट सिंपल में कि एक तो प्रेजेंट सिंपल के अफर्मेटिव में इन पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस और यू कैन से अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस वी यूज द सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड देयरफॉर इट इज एडवाइज्ड टू यू टू लर्न एंड रिमेंबर द वर्ब एंड देयर फॉर्म्स, their past forms and past participle forms. Okay, so this is an example for you. Yesterday I gave you another example. He played hockey. Okay, now this is the past verb of past simple. It's negative. क्या होगा, ये जो है अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, इट्स नेगेटिव विल बी मेड बाय एडिंग द हेल्पिंग वर्ब डिड. ही डिड नॉट. अब प्लेड को फिर से फर्स्ट फॉर्म में लाना है हमें. ही डिड नॉट प्ले हॉकी. ओके, ही डिड नॉट प्ले हॉकी. देन इन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस we are going to use this helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Did he play hockey? your notebook so that you may have a clear concept of the tense exercise of past tense. He did not play hockey. Did he play hockey? Now we come to your textbook exercise. So in the next sentence, they came from Jalandhar. So they did not come from Jalandhar. Did is helping verb here. Did interrogative sentence. This is negative one. This is interrogative one. Did they come from Jalandhar and question mark. And another WH type of question is framed. Where did they come from? In next exercise, Shivani called me. Negative sentence is Shivani did not call me. The helping verb type or yes no type question is framed with the help of did Shivani call me and who called me? WH type question. Okay. In the exercise, the concert began. The concert did not begin. Okay. The concert did not begin. Its interrogative will be did the concert begin? And what began? Its WH question will be what began. In this way, these interrogative sentences are framed. In the next exercise, the boy laughed. Okay? The boy laughed. The negative sentence will be made by making. The boy did not laugh. Okay? Interrogative will be did the boy laugh? And who laughed? Its WH word question will be who laughed? Means the boy laughed. F exercise, the tiger roared. Roared means the hard one. So the tiger did not. Then the first form of the verb roar. Did not roar. Interrogative will be did the tiger roar? Okay? Interrogative side. And again WH word who roared. Okay? And interrogative side. So this way we frame these into negative and interrogative sentences of the affirmative sentences. The aeroplane flew. Its negative will be the aeroplane did not fly. Okay? Interrogative will be did the aeroplane fly? Flew का फर्स्ट फॉर्म जो है वो क्या है? फ्लाई. फ्लाई, फ्लू एंड फ्लोज. इंट्रोगेटिव साइन at the end. And what? The previous question will be what flew. So this is the way we change affirmative sentences into negative and interrogative. Interrogative again are two types. First of all, these are yes no type or helping verb type questions, and these are WH type questions. Okay, so I have taught you how to change a sentence of past tense into negative and interrogative one. So I hope you will not forget the rule of changing negative and interrogative sentences from these affirmative sentences. Okay? There is an activity for you. It is a snake and ladder game which you like the most. So try to find out the words which are given on the points number 1 to 12. You have to find out the words, like clues are given. Past tense of jump, it is jumped. Third person singular present simple of go means go. Third person singular noun. Third person क्या होगा? Second word, it is go. Then present simple of follow. Past of beat, beat will remain the same. Past of awake, awoke. Present simple of reach, it remains the same. So as I told you, these forms of the verb in present tense change according to the subject. In present simple tense, as I told you already, do and does. In present simple, do and does helping verbs are used while we change an affirmative sentence into negative one. Are you getting? And in past tense, only did is used. Okay? With all kinds of subjects, only did is used. The tiger did not. Singular है तब भी, the aeroplane है तब भी, we, they, you, सभी nouns के साथ, pronouns के साथ did ही use होता है. ठीक है? While we change an affirmative into an interrogative or a negative one, we do not use other forms, other helping verbs other than did. सिर्फ did use करना है हमें. And I have given you all the examples. On page number 86, let's practice. So write them in your notebook. Do this exercise. Let's practice on page number 86 of past tense. Write it in your notebook and also do the exercise which I have sent you. Fill in the blanks with the forms of the verbs. Okay?